Hi and Assalamualaikum to Prof Hisyam Lee and also to the audience. My name is Siti Idara Binti Rosli from University of Technology Malaysia UTM. I will present my thesis paper with the given title Effectiveness of Online Education Using Technology Applications by Educational Institutions During COVID-19 Pandemic. First and foremost, what is the outline of my presentation? First, I will present my introduction. Second, the teacher review. Third, methodology. Fourth, result. Fifth, conclusion, and last, reference. There are four contents in my introduction. First is abstract, second, problem statement, third, research question, and last, research objective. This research aimed to investigate the importance of online learning using technology application by educational institutions during this pandemic. This research is a quantitative descriptive study using survey method conducted online. I will explain further in methodology part. And the result obtained, online learning system carried out during this COVID-19 pandemic is effective but inefficient. I will show you in the result part. Problem statement. So, what is the issue? Schooling and teaching in campus have been interrupted since the COVID-19 pandemic spread to the world, and all students and instructors are not allowed to be present on the campus. So, the vision is educational institutions must find the most appropriate form of teaching that can be used in the pandemic situation. And we use technological method that can assist an educator in their teaching process. This is my research question. First is, how educational institutions adapt with online education remotely? Second, what are the most useful communication technology applications? Third, what other needs will technological application meet besides communications? Fourth, what advantages do students gain from this e-learning? All of these questions will be answered in my conclusion part. Research objective. First, my objective is to prove the significance of educational institutions' role. Second, to identify the appropriate technological applications for remote communications. Third, to demonstrate that technological application has a lot of benefits. And last, to show the advantage that students gain from this e-learning. There are 4 points in my literature review. First is action taken by educational institutions against COVID-19 pandemic. First assumption said that many educational institutions are making their material and solution for free remotely. Citation by Luo and friends. Second assumption, according to Dahwan 2020, educational institutions can provide expertise training to teachers to ensure that all students enjoy e-learning. Second point is technology application for remote communication. By Stocksis 2015, the use of social media and multiple communication platforms such as Telegram and WhatsApp are being discussed and tested. And third point is other advantages of technology apps that can help an educator. First assumption said that platforms like Kahoot, Hot Potato, In-Class, and post-class questions have been helpful in measuring our students' development of comprehensions. Second assumption said that Microsoft Teams and Blackboard can be data storage tool. And the last point is benefit of online learning. First assumption said that students can have more flexibility when it's come to arranging their assignment. Second assumption, student acquire new technical skill. And last, student will have easy access to all necessary documentary. Methodology. First is subject selection. I decide to choose the student from Mathematical Sciences program for Fakulty Science University of Technology Malaysia UTM. And the instrument is survey on Google Form. Third is data collection. I use questionnaire in multiple choices form. And last is what is the limitations, time and cooperation of the respondents. Next is what is the results. Figure 1 shows that practically all respondents during the COVID-19 pandemic attended online courses with only 2% of respondents failing to do so. And Figure 2, 54% of respondents who attended each lesson online used solely the WhatsApp program. Figure 3 indicates that half of them are satisfied with the online classes even during this pandemic. And Figure 5 indicates the level of comprehension of each material provided during virtual recovery. 56% indicate they comprehended the content supplied. Figure 5 shows almost half of respondents comment effective and inefficient learning during this pandemic. And Figure 6 shows most of the students said they use WhatsApp as an appropriate online program for use during online learning. And next is conclusion. As summary, this research aimed to identify effectiveness of online education using technology application by educational institutions during COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the result of data analysis obtained, it can be concluded that it is effective but inefficient. Effectively implemented because of the condition that required online study, but inefficient because several students live in residences that lack infrastructure and lost connection while classes are running. Next is to answer the research questions. The answer for the first question is UTM carries out its responsibility well as an educational institution. Second, the most suitable application to use is WhatsApp. Third, WhatsApp also has another advantage such as transfer a task using several files and create communication group. And last, students need to be creative in trying to seek understanding material related via any website. Next is what is the new knowledge this project has contributed. First is the most suitable application for learners and instructors. Second, the significance of educational institution in any crisis. Third, aside from distinct communication, there are another advantages of using technological application. Okay, last is recommendation for future research. First is based on our survey, we need to establish the option for application creation by creating more versatile application. Second, need to be considered the speed of internet connection at each student. Is references. All of these consist of books, conference articles, journal articles, and many more. That's it for me. Thank you.